Hi guys! Today we gonna learn how to make DIY-Calla Lily Paper Flower. Very easy making beautiful paper lily, best origami idea. So you need some required materials. First you have to take some different sized color paper. They are 11 into 12 centimeter, 7 into 30 centimeter, 14 into 7 centimeter, 1 into 13 centimeter.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Take the 7 into 30 centimeter color paper and crease it roundly using a narrow stick as like showing on the video. Glue its last corner and bind it. Then cut its both side. Now take the 14 into 7 centimeter paper and crease it by your hands. Then cut its side as like showing on the video. Take the 11 into 12 centimeter paper and mark its middle of 11 centimeter side. Make a draw as like showing on the video. Cut its side through the drawing. Now crease its left and right side. Then take the 1 into 13 centimeter paper and attach it roundly with some glue to the top of the paper stick. Now attach it with some glue to the creased flower as like showing on the video. Then attach the 14 into 7 centimeter sized cut-in paper with some glue. Now take 2 part of each side together side and attach both ends with glue. Do the same task on rest of it. Wow, how beautiful of your making flower is. So by this you can make more DIY-Calla Lily Paper Flower. Very easy making beautiful paper lily, best origami idea.